always fight against the current.
Stylish, spacious, and crafted for low-maintenance living. Welcome to 9 Bentley Street in Heathwood. This one is all about convenience. Let's go check it out.
Standing there alone, I can't stay another night without knowing. Maybe we were never right, and I'm still hoping. You said if I met you back at a different time, I'll be seeing you now in a different light, but maybe in another life. We don't end tonight. Is it really what you wanted? Does it ever feel like something's missing? Cause I don't know what to call it. Don't know how to give you all that you need. Tide is high.